Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can edit video using KineMaster application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have installed the KineMaster application on your mobile phone. Once you have installed the KineMaster, you can open it and I'm going to show you how we can edit video using this application. Okay, and I'm going to click on create new to start creating your project, and here we can input our project name. For example, I'm just going to name it project 1 like this. Then you can choose the aspect ratio you want to apply to your project, and I'm gonna go with this one, 16:9 ratio, and then we can click on create. Okay, and now the project has been created, and the first step is importing our video or photo to this project. And for example, I'm just going to select the video from my camera. Okay, if you want to add more video, you just need to go to the media and then you can add more video to your project. Okay, then if you want to edit your video, you can click on the video and you will be able to use the editing tools right here. You can trim or split your video. You can also change the speed like this. For example, I'm going to make it 2 times faster. Okay, you can also reverse your video, rotate or mirroring, pan and zoom, and it's up to you. You can select the tool according to your needs. And for instance, I'm just going to reverse my video. Wait, now the process is still running. Okay, I'm just going to reverse that and reverse complete, and this is how it looks. Oops. Okay, and then if you want to add music or audio to your video, you can click on audio, and here you will be able to use music from the KineMaster. You can also use a voice effect or sound effect right here. Okay, there are a lot of sound effects you can use. You can also add your own music by clicking on this album, and these are the music in my device. Okay, for example, I'm just going to select this one. Okay, I'm just going to add it to my project. Click on the plus button to add it. Okay, now it's done. The music has been added to my project. Okay, and then you can also add text. If you want to add text, you can go to the layer, and here you will be able to add effects, sticker, text, or handwriting. And for example, I'm going to add tags to my video. Just type in the tags you want to add. I'm just going to add my vlog. Okay, just like this. I'm going to place it right here. Then you can animate your tags and change the color of your text. You can also change the font, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, and then you can explore the tools in KineMaster, guys. Just go to the section if you want to edit your video. You can also add voiceover by clicking on this icon, this microphone icon. Okay, just like that. Once you're ready to export your video, you can click on this export icon right here on the top right corner. Alright guys, and that's all the way to edit video using KineMaster. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.